So now that we've set up our store area ready to be used by coaches and customers, we're going to take a look at some of the functionality that exists with the store admin area that's important for you as the Academy manager. And it's important for some of the scenarios that you may face from your customers and coaches. And we're mainly going to focus on how we will manage and create gift cards, and how we're going to manage and create new discount codes. So, we're in our store area here, and let's focus to begin with on managing and adding new gift cards. We have our gift card section here, where we've added our 3 gift cards, and I've also added a new gift card with a specific coach. You need to be clear on gift cards in your store area, but these gift card amounts and codes can be used against any store products and any bookings on your booking system. You're unable to create specific gift cards for specific products or specific coaches. Therefore, if you have more than one coach at your academy, it's important that you have an operational procedure in place to manage gift cards and how they can be redeemed. So here, I've put a £50 gift card which states that it's with Joe. A customer, if they have this gift card, would be able to go on and use this gift card code with another coach. However, in the gift card product, you've stated that it's with Joe, and in the terms and conditions, you may also put this. But just be clear on that when you're using gift cards in your store area. So, let's take a look in the store admin area, how we can manage gift cards that have been purchased by customers or may have been processed by coaches. So we're going to go across to the dashboard area, and if we go to sales, we can click on gift cards, and it's in this section that we can view all of the gift cards that have been purchased or processed. We've got 3 gift cards that are visible. At the bottom we have a gift card which has an initial value of £100 and has a remaining amount of £100. So this gift card has not yet been used. We can also see the gift coupon code, the recipient's name, whether the gift card is activated or not, and the creation date. We then have a gift card code which has been partially redeemed. There's £20 remaining. And finally we have a gift card which hasn't been redeemed but it's not activated. So let's take a look at those columns and why that information might be important for you. As the Academy manager, your coaches may ask you for the amount that is remaining on a gift card, which you can quickly see here. You may also need to provide a coach or a customer with a coupon code. And you're also able to enforce expiry dates on gift cards in this section. So using the creation date, you may enforce a set expiry date that you've put into your terms and conditions. And you're either able to deactivate the card, so it can't be used, or you can delete the gift card as well. So we can see here this one for Mary Wilson has been deactivated, which indicates that potentially the gift card has expired. So in order to do that, what you would do is you would go into the gift card. So let's go into this one here, Steve Taylor, and we're going to deactivate the card. We just need to go into Edit, and we can simply just hit the radio icon here that says is gift card activated, and we can just go ahead and hit save. And now we can see that that gift card is no longer activated, and it means that the code, when it's put into the system on the booking system or the store, the code will not be able to be used by the customer. You may also need to look at the history of purchases or bookings that have been made using a gift card. So if we look at this one here, the initial value is £50, but the remaining amount is £20, so £30 has been redeemed. If we go into the gift card, we can go into the top left corner and we can see the usage history. So if we click on usage history, we can see the date that it was used. So it was used on the 8th of August, and £30 was redeemed. There we go. So that's the main ways in which you'll be managing gift cards that are activated or deactivated on your store admin section. If we go back to the gift cards area, there may also be times when you need to create new gift cards. So we can do that here on the store admin by hitting Add New. And you have 2 options. You have a virtual and a physical. A virtual gift card means that an electronic gift card will be sent to the recipient through the email that's put into this section. So in the main, you might be asked by a coach to create a gift card code that you can manage through your store admin section. But it's more than likely you just need to provide the coach with the gift card code. So in most instances, you'll be using the physical option. In the physical option, there's no email address that's taken within this section, which means that no electronic gift card is sent to the recipient. So let's go ahead and just create a physical gift card. We need to set the initial value. So let's say, for instance, we're going to be providing a charity gift card. Let's go ahead and create one for £40. We're going to activate the gift card and we're going to generate a coupon code. We then need to put in the recipient's name, and the sender's name, which would be the Academy in this instance. And we can add a message, although this isn't going to be sent to anyone, so we don't really need to put any necessary information in here. But let's go ahead and put and we can then go ahead and hit save. And we can see now how that's appeared at the top of the list as it's the most recent gift card that was created. You can see here the initial value is £40, the remaining amount is £40, and we have the gift card code here, which can be used by a coach or a customer. So we can put that code onto a physical voucher, or we can send it to a coach that they may put onto a gift card that they're using themselves. And as that's redeemed, we'll be able to see the remaining amount. It'll also appear within our reporting section as well to show that a gift card has been used. So let's move on now to look at how we would create discount codes and manage discount codes within our store. So we'll go back to our store area and let's go back to the home page. And let's say, for instance, as an academy, we're going to run an offer here on the 90-minute lesson experience. So we've got the 90-minute lesson experience here if we go into the product. And we set this one as a standard price where it could be used with all coaches. So it's £100, but we want it to be used with all coaches. So let's say that we want our customers to be able to redeem a discount against this. Maybe we're going to be running a specific offer that we're going to be sending to a section of our mailing list, and we want customers to be able to access an offer on this product. So let's have a look at how we would do that. We go across to the dashboard area. We now need to navigate down to promotions, and we're going to choose discounts. And we can see here we've got discount products that relate to our memberships, which we're not going to go ahead and change. We're going to leave those there. And we just need to now hit add new. So we now need to set up the discount info. So let's say we're going to go, the name is Lesson Experience Limited Time Offer. And we're now going to set the discount type. So this is where we have a few different options. We can apply a discount code to the total of an order. So whatever products a customer adds to their order, we can set a discount code that would deduct a certain amount from that total order. We can also assign a discount type to a product. We can assign a discount type to a category. We can assign a discount code to manufacturers. We can assign a discount code to shipping, so we may offer an incentive such as free shipping. And we can also assign to an order subtotal. In this instance, we've decided that we're going to do a discount code on a specific product, which is the lesson experience. So we need to choose assign to products. And we now need to decide whether we're going to use a percentage or an amount. So let's say on my marketing campaign, decided that I'm going to do 25% off this specific product. We're going to set the maximum discount amount to 25%, and we're going to state that it requires a coupon code. So for customers to access this discount, they have to use a coupon code. And let's go ahead and do experience 25. The start date would be the date in which the coupon could first be used, which is today's date. And let's say I'm only going to run it for 7 days, so till the end of 15th, so a week from today. And I don't want it to be cumulative with any other discounts, such as memberships. And the discount limitation is whether we're going to set it to an unlimited usage, a certain number of times in total, or a certain number of times per customer. So we might want to set this one as a certain number of times per customer. I only want a customer to be able to use this discount once on this specific product. Number of times only would mean we might say there's only 10 discount amounts available, and once those 10 have gone, then there's no further discounts that can be used. And unlimited is where there's no restrictions. So let's go with this one and say we're going to do number of times per customer, which is 1 time. And then we have the maximum discount quantity, which here, it just gives a little explanation. And let's say we're going to set that maximum discounted quantity for the amount of products that can be purchased. So we've already said that we only want a customer to use this once. And I think we're only going to allow 1 product to be bought. So we only want 1 product to be bought at 25%. And finally, we can just hit save and continue. And that will save it. And then if we look across the top bar, we have some more information. So we've had usage history, which has now appeared as we've created the product. We have some requirements, which we're going to leave. And we're now going to just apply a product to this. So we've already decided that the lesson experience is going to be a limited time offer. So we've defined the product. We now need to choose the product by adding new. And we just need to find that product here. Must be on page 2. There we go. And let's go ahead and hit save. So we've got the 90-minute lesson experience now, which is in one of those products. And we can hit save and continue. And if we now go back to the home page, discounts, we can see here that we've got that discount code now visible. So we have a 25% discount assigned to a specific product with the start date and end date. So let's have a go at applying that discount code now on the store, show you how it would work. So let's go and grab the discount code here, which was experience 25. And we'll go into this one here. So we've got our 90-minute lesson experience. So let's say a customer here has seen the marketing campaign. They've seen that they can get 25% off. We're going to go ahead and add to cart. And we're in our cart area now. And this is now the section in which a customer is able to add the discount code. So they're going to go here to order discount. And they're going to enter the discount code and apply the coupon. And we can see now that we have 25% is taken off, £25, and it's reduced the total down to £75. If the customer was to increase the quantity, it wouldn't deduct the same discount from there. Let's just check that. There we go. So it's once we've updated the shopping cart there, we can see how we've got 2 quantities, but it's only discounted £25 from one of the products, as that's what we set on our parameter. And if we went in and we found a new product, so let's go continue shopping, and let's choose this one here, 150 credits, and we'll add to cart. There we go. So we can see now how we've got the 90-minute lesson experience with 2 as the quantity. We've only got 1 that's discounted at 25%, and we have the 150 credits with Joe where no discount has been taken off that product. So the discount code hasn't been applied because we've stated that it can only be used on the 90-minute lesson experience. So we're back now in our discount section within the store admin. And let's go ahead and adding another discount code that you might want to be using within your store. So we're going to go across here to add new. And what we're going to do now is we're going to create a discount code that could be used against the total amount that is added to a basket. So we're going to go for £10 off order total. So we're going to run a promotion where we want customers to be able to get £10 off the total amount that they add to their basket. So on this one, we just need to choose assign to order total. And we've already said that it's going to be a monetary figure, so we're just going to change that to 10. And we're definitely going to need a coupon code. And let's go with £10 off. Start date will be today, and let's say we're going to run this for just 48 hours. And we're not going to allow it to be cumulative with other discounts, and we're only going to limit it to once per customer. So a customer can only use it once when they go onto the store. And we'll go ahead now and click Save and Continue. And we can see now that we only have the requirements field and the usage history. We don't need to do anything with the requirements, and we don't now need to add that to a product. So let's go back to our store, and we'll grab the coupon code. I've got here in my basket, I've got 2 products that I've selected, both with a quantity of 1. Here's the total for each product, and the order total now is £470. And if a customer goes into order discount, adds that discount code, and applies the code, we can see now how £10 is taken off that total order. So we're back now into the discount section, and let's have a go at how we would set up a new discount code that you might want to be using in the store. And this time we're going to try and create a discount code that can be used on a specific category. So what we're going to do is we're going to create the name, which is going to be £25 off coaching facility products. So this might be a great one if you're going to maybe use a campaign maybe where you're looking to offer a discount on training aids, for instance. You could use this to apply that discount to a specific category, or you might want to be, like I'm doing here, applying a specific discount code to a facility that you may have within your academy. So we're now going to go and choose categories. We're going to leave the apply to subcategories blank, and we decided we're going to use a monetary amount, so I'm just going to go ahead and change that to 25. Definitely want to use a coupon code. Call this one facility promo. Choose the start date as today, and I want to use this for a month. I'm going to let this run until the end of the month. And we're not going to allow it to be cumulatively used with other discounts. And the discount limitation, we're going to leave that to unlimited, and we're not going to put anything in the maximum discounted quantity. And we'll go ahead then and hit save. And similar to when we added the product, we now need to apply this to a category. So we're going to go across to apply to categories, add new category, and let's go ahead and choose coaching facility 1 and hit save. And we'll go ahead and click save and continue. Let's go back to the discount and grab the code, and we'll go across now to our store. Let's get rid of these products here in our cart, and we'll go back to the store. And you might, in this banner section here, you might be putting some information in relation to this promotion. So you might be putting that there's an offer currently on products that are bought within your coaching facility category. So let's go into that category and add a couple of products. So let's add this one. And let's go back and then add this one here. And let's go ahead now and add that discount code. Get rid of this one. And there we go. We can see how £25 has been taken off each of those products within that area. So again, it's taken the discount off each of the products within that category. It hasn't taken it off the total, again the subtotal or the total within that category. It's taken the amount off each of the products within the category. So let's go and choose one from maybe a different category. So this one's from the one-to-one and swing studio. We'll add that to the cart. And there we go, we can see how the code has only been applied to those products within that category. It hasn't taken the discount off the product from the one-to-one and Swing Studio option. We're now going to take a look at how we would create a discount code that could be applied to a specific coach within your store. So to do this, we're in the store admin area and we need to navigate to promotions and discounts. We're going to select the add new button in the top right hand corner and we need to create a discount code name. So with this one, we're going to go £10 off with Joe. The discount type now is going to be assigned to manufacturers. A coach within your store admin area is known as a manufacturer. So we now need to decide whether it's going to be a percentage discount, a discount amount, or if we're going to leave that blank, which is applying the discount automatically on the store product. With this option, we're going to go for a discount amount of £10 and it requires a coupon code. I'm going to quickly copy that so we can apply it a moment in the store. And I'm going to apply this promotion for 7 days. It can't be used cumulatively, and I'm only going to allow this discount code to be used once per customer. We then hit save and continue, and finally we now need to assign Joe to this discount code. So to do that, we go across to apply to manufacturers, add a new manufacturer, and we can see there our list of coaches that we can go ahead and tick where relevant. So with this one, we're just going to tick Joe Blogs, and we're going to go ahead and hit save. And finally, we can click save, which will take us back to the discount code screen, and we can see that the discount code has been created. So let's now go into our store area and find a product. So I'm going to go into the one-to-one and Swing Studio section, and I'm going to go ahead and choose a product. Let's go with this one here. I'm going to select Joe as the coach and hit add to cart. And I now need to test my discount code that could be used by your front of house team or your customers. And I'm going to do this by opening the order discount section and adding the discount code. And there we go, we can see that £10 has been deducted from the product. And we can see that it's there on the total with a £10 discount.